Guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Abigail, and today we're gonna be doing a flow. If you're new to my channel and you've not subscribed yet, please click on the subscribe button and the notification icon so you'll be notified when a video comes up. Thank you. Give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comment section. So to start this flow, I'll be sectioning my hair into three. So this is the first part. So in the first section, that is the side section, I'll be dividing it again into two sections. Then in each section, I'm going to be making another section. Yes, another section. Then I'm going to be weaving that section because we're going to be crossing the sides of the fro, the sides of my hair. Yeah. So instead of using a rubber band, so I just weave it because I don't want to use rubber band because too much of rubber band will make the hair cut. Will cause hair loss or breakage, or you get what I'm saying? Yeah, I know. So after that, we're going to be crossing the hair to the sides, just like crisscross, crossing it. So yeah, weaving it again that way. Doing the same thing to the other side. So after crossing, I just joined everything and made a combo down towards the end. Yeah. So we're going to be doing the same thing on the other side. So this is the result. So now it's time for the flow. Okay. So I sectioned my hair into three. This is the first part at the back. So I'm using gel to hold it down. So I used black gel in this video. Yeah. So I'm going to be using extensions to tie the hair. You can use scrunchies, you can use rubber bands, you can use other things, but I decided to use extensions, braiding hair extensions for it, so it will be firm. Yeah. Then after that, we're going to be using our rubber band to make the puff, or should I say the rolls. Yes. So the way I did it, I didn't allow all the air to come out from the rubber band, so the tips were still in the rubber bands, just to hold it down that way. You could use bobby pins to hold it down, but I felt the rubber band makes it stay firmer. Firm. Yes, firm. So doing the same thing for the second section. The second section I divided into two because I made it to the front and to the back. So this is the front part. Still using my rubber band. Now for the front, I added my gel. around the root of my hair. Then I allowed it to go through towards the ends, and I removed my edges from the ear because I don't want the edges to be too tight on my hair, and also I just wanted to remove it. Then I did a tiny braid. No, could I call it tiny braid? Tiny flat twist. Yes, I did a flat twist on the sides of front section. I did a flat twist on the sides, both sides of the front section. Then I tie it up also, still using my braiding extensions. Then I separated it into two again, just like what I did in the middle section, the front section. You can also do the back, that is the sections at the back. You can also divide it into two. So for this front section, I used my bobby pins to hold the hair down, so you can see how it is in both ways, how it is when you use your rubber band and how it is when you use your bobby pins. It's basically the same thing, you know. So for the front hair, I'm going to be putting a bead into my hair. So this is the bead, and I'll put it in the first part. Then I'm going to be putting it in the second one to inside because I want it to stay like on my forehead. So I'm using a bobby pin to hold my hair. Then use the ends of the bobby pins into the bead, then pull it out with my hair, then remove the bobby pins and brought my hair out. So this is like what you get. So you can actually adjust your hair in the way you want it, how loose or how firm or how tight you want it to be. Then I hold the end of the hair using a bobby pin. I tuck them in. I tuck it in. Yeah. Now we do our edges. Yay! Unveiling. Oops. It's good. Now this is our fur. If you haven't subscribed yet, please do. Give me a thumbs up and let me know what you think in the comment section. Bye. Thank you.